Hi, I'm Gaspan from 11 Einstein, and my topic is about types of series. So a series in mathematics is the sum of terms of an infinite sequence. The sum of a finite sequence has defined first and last terms, whereas a series continues indefinitely. Given an infinite sequence a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub 3, a series is informally the result of adding all those terms together, or a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3. This can be written more compactly using the sigma symbol. So today I'm going to teach you the three types of series. The first one is arithmetic, the second one is geometric, and the third one is alternating. So let's first start at the arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is the sum of a arithmetic sequence. So let's take a look at the formula. The formula for arithmetic series is S sub n is equal to n over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. So let's have an example. So in this given example, we first need to determine the given. So we need to determine the n, or the number of terms, the a sub 1, or the first term in the sequence, and a sub n, which is the last term in the sequence. So a sub 1 is 3, a sub n is 43, and in this given example, we don't know what is the number of terms, so we need to find it using the formula of arithmetic sequence. So the formula for arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So in order to get the common difference, we just need to subtract the second term to the first term. So 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So let's substitute the values of the given in the formula. So a sub n is equals to 43, which is the last term. A sub 1 is 3, the first term. And the common difference is 4. So 43 is equals to 3 plus 4n minus 4. We just distribute the 4 to n minus 1. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1, and we just transpose negative 1 to the other side. So 43 plus 1 is equals to 44 is equals to 4n. And divide both sides by 4, we get n is equals to 11. So now that we have the value of n, we will substitute the values to the formula of arithmetic series. So S sub n is equals to n, which is 11, over 2. And a sub 1 is 3, the first term in the sequence, and a sub n is 43, which is the last term. So 43 plus 3 is 46. Then we can cancel this one, so it will be 11 times 2, 23. And the final answer is 200. So this is the formula for arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 multiplied by r raised to n minus 1. So in order to get the number of terms, we need to derive the formula. So we'll just divide both sides by a sub 1. So this is the derived formula. So we'll use this to get the value of n. So the a sub n, or the last term in the sequence, is 486. And the first term in the sequence, or a sub 1, is 2. And the common ratio is 3 raised to n minus 1. So 486 divided by 2 is equal to 243. And 243, we all know that 243 is also equals to 3 raised to 5. So we just focus on the exponents. So it becomes like this. 5 is equals to n minus 1. And we transpose the negative 1 to the other side. So it becomes 5 plus 1, which is equals to 6. So the number of terms is 6. So now that we have obtained the value of n, we can substitute it to the formula. So let's get this answer. So S sub n is equals to a sub 1, which is the first term, 2, multiplied by 1 minus r, or the common ratio is 3, raised to n, or the number of terms, which is equal to 6, over 1 minus the common ratio of 3. So 2. 1 minus 3 raised to 6 is equal to 729 over negative 2. So 1 minus 729 is equal to negative 728 over negative 2. So let's just cancel the 2. And negative times negative is equal to positive. So the answer is 728. So lastly, we have the alternating series. Alternating series is a series where terms alternate signs. So here is an example. Negative 2 plus 4 minus 6. We can see that the signs are alternating, negative, positive, and negative. So if we compute it manually, we'll get negative 4. Negative 2 plus 4 minus 6 is equal to negative 4. But we can also compute it using the sigma notation. So we'll just substitute the value of I to this notation. So we'll substitute negative 1 raised to 1, 2 times 1, which is equals to negative 1 multiplied by 2, which is equals to negative 2. Negative 2. And the second one, we'll substitute 2. So negative 1 raised to 2 and 2 multiplied by 2. So negative 1 raised to 2 is positive 1 and 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So it is equals to positive 4 and it's equal to that. And the last one, we'll substitute 3. So negative 1 raised to 3, 2 times 3. Then negative 1 raised to 3 is equals to negative 1 multiplied by 2 times cube, which is equal to 6. So it is equal to negative 6 and it is equal to that. That's why we got the answer of negative 4. That is how we get the answer in alternating series. That's all for today. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, How to Calculus. And to watch more videos, please click the links below. Thank you. Bye-bye.